How to reset Costco Citi Card PIN or password. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step. So the first thing is, if you would like to reset the password, you can directly do it from Costco.com. Head over to Costco.com and look out for account option in the top of your screen, tap on it and it will take you to the account page of Costco. Open it up on your screen, the sign in page right here. Once you're in the sign in page, you can look out for forgot password option, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you can enter your email address or select send verification code. After that, follow the instructions in the email you receive to reset your password for Costco. Other method, if you would like to reset your Costco card PIN, is you can directly contact Citibank. For that, you can just head over to the Citibank online banking account. You can head over to citi.com and open up the online banking. You can directly contact the number as well, available in the website or mobile application. Now, once you are in the website of Citibank, what you can do is you can just head over, navigate to the card section in your Costco bank, Citibank. Once you are logged in order to log in, you can look out for the sign in option at the top of your screen, tap on it. And then once you are there, you can look out for credit card section. You can just go ahead and tap on that option right there, and you can look out for the option such as you may need to verify your identity with one-time password or something like that, and it will give you option to manage your PIN. You can just go ahead and follow up the process and reset your Costco card PIN from that process available. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and call the number on the back of your card available and follow the prompts to speak with customer service representative who can guide you through the PIN reset process. And that is it. So therefore, these are the methods you can apply up if you would like to reset your Costco Citi card PIN or password. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.